Little Horse Trail might not get as much attention as Mezcal or Chuck Wagon Trail, but definitely don't overlook it. It was one of my favorite trails on my entire 3-day trip. It has some incredible red rock views, some desert flow, technical moves, fun slick rock, and definitely deserves a spot on your Sedona trip list. So today on Trail Preview Thursdays, I am breaking down Little Horse Trail in Sedona, Arizona with a full POV ride, so that way you can see every inch of the trail and decide if it's right for you. Little Horse Trail is located on the southern side of Sedona. It is a trail that can link up to some of the more area classic trails. You can ride it from Chicken Point or take it to Chicken Point, the Broken Arrow Trailhead, or the Broken Arrow Trail, which is where I am coming from today. So starting at Chicken Point and riding down the Little Horse Trail. This trail is not extremely long. I think it's only like a mile and a half, but it packs a ton into it. It has slick rock, technical moves, desert single track, and Chicken Point, some of the area's best scenery. I personally would rate Little Horse Trail as a blue, with some blue, black, or black sections. Advanced riders should be able to ride this entire trail, and then intermediate riders should be able to ride the majority of this trail, and then just have to walk some of the more technical things that they're not comfortable with. And if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend not starting on Little Horse. There are a lot easier trails in the area that I would definitely recommend starting on, even if you want the Sedona experience. If you enjoy mountain biking gear reviews, trail previews, and discovering new places to ride, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we've got a ton more coming this year. This trail is great because it has a lot that Sedona is famous for. It has technical moves, slick rock, and then also at the end, it seems to have desert flow. It has like berms and jumps, not like built up, but the berms are kind of built up, they're kind of like dug in, and they have nice support, and it is a really fun end of the trail. And with that, let's go ahead and drop into the trail. Straight line here. Ooh, heck. Maybe. Was not the best line. Oh, drifted. Little jump. That's fun. Like left, right. Actually, should go with my first instinct. Left was better, a lot better, even though right was built up. It's the trail. Continue straight. So that is Little Horse Trail in Sedona, Arizona. If you've ever ridden it, let me know in the comment section down below. And go ahead and check out my full Sedona trip right here. And until next time, don't forget to go find your up.